When it comes to building a website, two platforms have risen to prominence: Wix and WordPress. Both offer powerful features and a user-friendly interface, but they have distinct differences that can greatly impact your website building experience. In this video, we will compare Wix and WordPress in various aspects to help you determine which one is better suited for your needs. 1. Ease of use. Wix prides itself on being a beginner-friendly platform. It provides a drag-and-drop website builder, allowing users to easily customize their sites without any coding knowledge. Wix's interface is intuitive and offers a wide range of templates and design options. WordPress has a steeper learning curve compared to Wix. While it also offers a user-friendly interface, it requires a basic understanding of website building concepts. WordPress provides more flexibility and control over your site but may take more time to master. 2. Design and customization. With Wix, you have access to a vast library of professionally designed templates. The drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to customize layouts, add images, and change fonts and colors. Wix offers a Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, feature, which can create a personalized website for you based on your preferences. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes, catering to various industries and design preferences. The platform allows for extensive customization through its theme editor and support for plugins and coding. WordPress gives you the freedom to create a unique design tailored to your specific needs. 3. Scalability and flexibility. Wix is an all-in-one solution, providing hosting, security, and maintenance. It is well suited for small to medium-sized websites or businesses that require simplicity and ease of use. However, Wix has limitations when it comes to scaling larger websites with complex functionality. WordPress is highly scalable and flexible. It can handle any website size or complexity. With a wide range of plugins and themes, you can extend your site's functionality and add custom features. WordPress is a popular choice for bloggers, businesses, and large-scale websites. 4. E-commerce capabilities. Wix offers an integrated e-commerce platform, allowing you to create and manage online stores. It provides features such as product management, inventory tracking, payment gateways, and shipping options. Wix's e-commerce functionality is user-friendly and suitable for small to medium-sized online stores. WordPress offers various e-commerce plugins, with the most popular one being WooCommerce. WooCommerce provides extensive features for building online stores, including product listings, shopping carts, payment options, and inventory management. WordPress's e-commerce capabilities are robust and can handle both small and large-scale businesses. 5. SEO and blogging. Wix provides basic SEO features, allowing you to optimize your website's meta tags, URL, and headings. It also offers a blogging platform with essential blogging tools. However, Wix's SEO capabilities are somewhat limited compared to WordPress. WordPress excels in SEO. It offers numerous SEO plugins and allows for more advanced optimization. WordPress is widely regarded as one of the best platforms for blogging, with a range of powerful features such as categories, tags, comments, and RSS feeds. In the battle of Wix versus WordPress, there is no clear winner. The choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you value simplicity, ease of use, and a streamlined website building experience, Wix may be the better option. On the other hand, if you prioritize flexibility, scalability, and complete control over your website, WordPress is the way to go. Consider your website's goals, design requirements, e-commerce needs, and future scalability when making your decision. Ultimately, both Wix and WordPress offer powerful tools for creating stunning websites, so choose the one that aligns best with your vision. Thank you for watching.